Outfield very shallow. This guy can hit it over your head, too. And that's a liner up the middle. One run's going to score to tie it. Simmons is going to throw home. Safe at home, and Rhode Island rallies to win it.
What a comeback by Rhode Island. Clutch hit after clutch hit. Never giving up. I'll tell you, one of the greatest comebacks I've ever seen.
6 runs in the bottom of the 6th inning. And Tommy Turner delivered a single up the middle. It looked like Logan Simmons hesitated for a second. There was no hesitation around third. And that play, because it's the last play of the game, will be reviewed. But Tommy Turner delivers. And after doing nothing for 6 innings, Coventry, Rhode Island rallies to put 6 up and win 6-5.
What an incredible baseball game. Boys, both teams, what a tremendous day of baseball. I know this New Hampshire team is in shock right now. But boy, did they play a great game also. But give credit to Rhode Island, never giving up. In the bottom half of the order, coming through and then leaving it to Tommy Turner to get the big winning hit.
Tommy Turner had 2 hits in the 6th inning. And that's it. The review shows it is a final. Dylan Moreo doesn't hesitate. Look at Simmons kind of travel with the ball in center field. 1, 2, and maybe a little bobble, but it took him so long to get it in that Moreo was able to score. What a comeback by Coventry.
Great job by the coach sending that guy. You got momentum. Moreo's got the speed, got the spunk. And he's got happy teammates.
And what a bitter pill to swallow for Goffstown, New Hampshire. They had everything going. Will Perkowski, the starter, had to come out in the 6th inning. They handed it to Cam Hyzak to try to close it. He couldn't do it. And then Isaac Morin came in, and he had to deal with a red-hot Tommy Turner, who delivered. Wow, what a comeback.
Well, it's been a great ball game. It's Little League baseball at its best.
Guys, hey, I can't say enough what we just did. Where's Lama?